What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And today is day 3 of Cruisin Ocean City 2026. So we're just leaving Dry 85. We had breakfast, we did their show. I'm heading over to the inlet now to go film. And as you know, when I film down here every day, we do some little Bangin Gears swag giveaways in each video. Today's video, we're going to be giving away a third Bangin Gears baseball cap, just like the one I'm wearing. To be eligible to win, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, and that puts you in the running to win the hat. Once you're subscribed, make sure you comment on each video I do this week, and that puts you in the running to win whatever we're giving away in those videos. It increases your chances to win. We've also got the Facebook group, Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. While you're here, do me a favor, post up your videos, post up your pictures, what shows you're going to, and then when you go home, post up your flyers and the automotive stuff you got for sale, cars, parts, stuff like that. Post pictures from the shows you do at home. We're just getting into car show season, so advertise that stuff up on the page. Every year we do every month we do Vehicle of the Month. We just did that. Announced the winner last night at midnight. Congratulations to Katie Gray from the Twisted Rods Car Club of Maryland. She won. She's now our profile picture for the Bangin Gears Garage Facebook page for the entire month of May. We do it every month, so make sure you come back. You post up your picture, get as many likes as you can, and the car with the most likes is the vehicle profile pick for the month. All right? Other than that, today's a phenomenal day. Heading over to the inlet, like I said. Drive safe. And we'll get you right back here tomorrow on the Bangin Gears Garage.
Thank you.